Ever tried serving hot dogs at a party or small event, only to find yourself constantly rotating sausages in a frying pan while everyone waits? It's messy, inconsistent, and definitely takes the fun out of entertaining. If you're looking for a more efficient solution, the Seeutek Hot Dog Roller might be exactly what you need. Today we're taking a closer look at the Seeutek Hot Dog Roller with 5 rollers and glass hood to see whether it's worth buying for home parties, concession stands, food vendors, convenience stores, or anyone who regularly serves hot dogs to a crowd. With room for up to 18 hot dogs, dual temperature controls, and a classic commercial-style design, it promises restaurant-style results without requiring a professional kitchen. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is that this machine looks like something you'd expect to see at a movie theater, stadium, or convenience store. The stainless steel construction gives it a durable, professional appearance, while the transparent glass hood not only keeps dust away from the food, but also lets guests see the hot dogs cooking, which honestly adds to the overall experience. Despite being designed for commercial-style use, it fits comfortably on most countertops without feeling oversized. The added warming shelf is another thoughtful feature, allowing buns or freshly cooked hot dogs to stay warm until they're ready to serve. Build quality feels reassuring from start. The food-grade stainless steel body is designed for repeated use, and the non-stick rollers rotate smoothly while feeling sturdy enough to handle busy weekends or regular events. Everything feels built with practicality in mind rather than unnecessary extras, making it suitable for both occasional home use and light commercial applications. Using the machine is surprisingly simple. The dual temperature controls allow you to adjust the front and rear rollers independently, giving you more flexibility if you're cooking different foods or simply keeping one side warm while preparing another batch. The controls are easy to understand, even for first-time users, and the built-in overheat protection adds an extra level of confidence during longer cooking sessions. Performance is where this hot dog roller really shines. Thanks to its 1100-watt heating system and continuously rotating rollers, hot dogs cook evenly from every angle without needing constant attention. Instead of standing over a grill and manually turning each sausage, you simply place them on the rollers and let the machine do the work. In roughly 15 minutes, you'll have evenly heated hot dogs with a nicely browned exterior, making it perfect for birthday parties, family gatherings, concession stands, fundraisers, or game day events where serving multiple people quickly is important. The rotating roller system also works well for more than just traditional hot dogs. Depending on the size and type, pre-cooked sausages, bratwursts, and similar items can also be heated evenly, giving the machine a bit more versatility than its name suggests. Just remember that it's designed for pre-cooked or fully thawed products rather than raw meats. Cleaning is another area where Seeutek keeps things relatively straightforward. The removable drip tray collects grease during cooking, helping keep the main unit cleaner throughout the day. Once everything has cooled, the tray lifts out easily for washing, and because the rollers have a non-stick surface, wiping them down is generally quick and uncomplicated. The removable glass hood also makes it easier to clean every part of the machine thoroughly after a busy event. Overall, the Seeutek Hot Dog Roller delivers exactly what most buyers are hoping for. Even cooking, easy operation, simple cleanup, and enough capacity to serve family, friends, or customers without constant supervision. If you're looking to recreate that classic concession stand experience at home or need a dependable machine for small commercial use, this one is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to check the latest price or availability, you'll find the link in the description below. And if this review helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.